So do you think you want like a guy to settle down with?
I mean, yes, eventually, definitely. But like, I'm busy. Like, I
Would you do a
technically,
prenup or no?
what is that?
Like, would you have the guy sign if you ever got a divorce that he wouldn't like if you sign a
If you're
prenup, you
dating a
can't
guy
take
that doesn't
50% of your
make
money.
like he's like,
Oh, oh,
you
oh.
know,
Probably. I mean, it depends on. I mean, is he nice? Like, does
he's
he?
nice, he's
He's
loyal,
like.
you're in love with him.
Then probably
He
not.
makes 80K a year. Are you making
She's
him sign a prenup?
she's signing it.
Probably. I would probably
She's
have
signing it.
to.